Hi everyone, it's Adam here from CaddPro with another Bentley Civil software tip. Today I'm going to look at how to project one vertical alignment in a profile across to another vertical alignment in the profile. So let's have a look at what I got inside this model. So I've got a terrain model, I've got a horizontal alignment here, and then a second horizontal alignment here. And what I'll do, I'll just click into the profile windows, and I'll just make that profile active in the various windows. That just simplifies projecting the alignments at a later stage. I don't have to select the individual profile, I just make the active profile and then it will know what to project. So what we'll do, we'll load up the command, so it's under vertical, under profile creation, project profile to element, and it's prompting me to select the source element, the element to project, and then select the element that we need to project onto, so the destination element, and we can see it drew a profile over here. And let's now project from this element across to that one, and we can see it's drawn a line down here. Now what I'll do, just to make that a bit clearer, I'll just change that feature definition to green, and we can see it's matching our green vertical alignment. Then over here I'll change that one to our baseline definition, and now it's matching that. Okay, let's have a look what happens when I modify a vertical alignment. So if I modify the vertical alignment, you can see it redrew that string straight away. Let's have a look at it. What happens if I modify this vertical alignment. We can see it updated that green profile over here. So it's very interactive and does update automatically. The other thing you can do is, it doesn't necessarily have to be a vertical alignment. It could be a 3D string. So I'll project this 3D string that I've already drawn. So element to project is that element, and I want to project it onto this alignment, and we can see it projected it onto that profile. I'll just get that out the way. Okay, just to clean it up a bit. So one of the other nice things you could do is you could have a vertical alignment based on this projected vertical alignment. So I'll place a line. I've got my persist snaps on and I've got it on intersect snap. I'm going to snap to the intersection of that profile and the vertical line that I'd already drawn in here. And I'll place another point there. And then what I'll do, I'll extend that profile along just to make it nice and clear there. So let's see what happens now if I modify this vertical alignment. We can see it updating because this has been drawn at the intersection of those two elements and then projected along. So that's not a bad way to do it. So just a few other points. The settings that affect your the density of the points that are projected. So if I open up configuration, I open up stroking, it's these two here that affect how often the points are projected across. So You might need to control that if you've got a long alignment, and there are those settings there. All right, thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you'd like more information, you can follow us on LinkedIn or visit our website at www.caddpro.com.au. Thanks for watching.